Hello everyone, welcome back to Nguyen Phat Tools channel. In today's video, I will show you a software that can help you to auto-post on Marketplace on Facebook. So this is my software. You can see, first we have the account management. Here will help you to add and manage multiple Facebook account. You can see here I have more than 100 account, and you can use this account to do interaction to auto-post on Facebook. To auto-post on Marketplace, we will go to Post function. And here we will have many options. I would go to Post Marketplace. First, we will need to prepare a content. I will go to Content Management. And you can see here I prepared multiple content about the Marketplace. There you can have the type, the post title, the price unit, Vietnamese or USD. The post, the category, the condition, the description, and the location. And you can add your image here like this. To do that, we will go to Add Post, and you can add the post here. After we prepare a content, I will go to Post Marketplace. First, I will choose the account that I want to post, like this. Next, I will set up the break interval time. I will set up 10 to 20 seconds. Next, I will go to Setting and set up the number of thread. Next, I will choose the content. You can choose the content for our account like this, or you can choose the content for the account that you want. You can assign that here. Next, you can choose the number of posts that each account will post here. Each account, I will post one post. And you can hidden your post for your friend. Okay? After everything's set up, I will simply press start and then let the software do the work. There you can see it start running. Okay, you can see here is success posting. I will go to account management, so I will log in to all the account to check on the post. I will log into this Facebook account. And there, this is my Facebook account. I can check for it. I will go to Marketplace. So this is my Marketplace that I upload here. There you can see, that is my post. Okay, so basically I just show you a software that help you to book posting on Marketplace. If you need more information, please contact me in my Telegram or WhatsApp or visit website mktsoftware.top. The detail I pinned down below the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe to channel.